Well, let's get you details of the war of words that's playing out after the Yogi cabinet has taken a dip. Over 9 crore devotees have taken the holy dip at the Mahakumbh in UP's Prayagraj. And this figure now also includes Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath and his cabinet colleagues. The Chief Minister and his ministers took a boat ride to the Sangam. And when they reached there, we saw scenes of camaraderie in the moment of faith as well. While taking the holy dip, all the ministers were also seen engaging in some light-hearted moments where they splashed water on each other. But politics soon muddled the holy waters, with Akhilesh Yadav and his Samajwadi Party calling it a photo op. And the official media cell of the Samajwadi Party crossed all limits of civility, branding Chief Minister Yogi and his cabinet colleagues Mohalle ke Chhapri and accusing them of doing dharm ka dhanda. And if this wasn't enough, the party's media cell in another tweet also juxtaposed the viral video from last year of a couple being harassed in Lucknow's Gomti Nagar with the cabinet members splashing water on each other. The BJP has hit back strongly, saying this exposes the Samajwadi Party's anti-Sanathan mindset. Listen in to the war of words.
ये प्रभु की ही कृपा है। प्रभु आज ही के दिन 500 वर्षों के बाद अयोध्या में विराजमान हुए थे और आज पहली बार उत्तर प्रदेश का पूरा मंत्री परिषद आज यहाँ पर आया है। और मुझे लगता है कि अगले कुंभ की क्या स्थिति होती है, लेकिन उसका इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर उत्तर प्रदेश का ये मंत्री परिषद आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी की प्रेरणा से यहाँ पर प्रयागराज की धरती पर प्रस्तुत कर रहा है।
कुंभ और प्रयागराज वो स्थान नहीं है जहां पर राजनीति और राजनीतिक कार्यक्रम और फैसले लिए जाएं। हम में से बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो गंगा स्नान कराए होंगे, उन्होंने तस्वीर भी नहीं डाली होगी।
योगी आदित्यनाथ का कैबिनेट में वहां बैठक करना और कुंभ में स्नान करना, ये बातें बीजेपी के लिए माने रखती हैं, लेकिन उत्तर प्रदेश की जनता के लिए नहीं।
सनातन का अपमान, यही समाजवादी पार्टी की पहचान, जिन्होंने मठाधीश को माफिया बोला, महाकुंभ पर सवाल और मजाक उड़ाते रहे, ये दिखाता है कि न केवल साधु संतों का, महंतों का अपमान, हिंदू समाज का, हिंदू धर्म का अपमान, महाकुंभ का अपमान।
So is this the only instance where the Samajwadi Party has targeted the UP government over Kumbh Mela or over Sanathan? It's clearly not. Time and again we've seen such insults and statements that have come in from the Samajwadi Party, and let's take you through some of them as well. If on the 22nd of January it was a holy dip by Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath and his cabinet colleagues, the Samajwadi Party said the people of UP need jobs and not a holy dip. But before this, on the fire mishap as well, on the 19th of January, the Samajwadi Party had said that it exposes the Yogi Sarkar's lack of preparedness. But before that, on the 16th of January, at a time when the entire world was talking about the big turnout of devotees from across the world for the Mahakumbh, here's what the Samajwadi Party had been saying. While the government gave out these figures, Samajwadi Party said that all the government figures on Mahakumbh and the turnout were absolutely fake. That's not it. There was an attempt to undermine the Mahakumbh and the significance of it as well, because on the 12th of January, Akhilesh Yadav had said that Swami Vivekanand had said that roti is above religion. Before that, on the 9th of January as well, the Samajwadi Party had said that the UP government will attend Kumbh to wash their sins, taking a dig at the Chief Minister before that as well, saying when you leave, take one of your peers with you. In fact, on the dredging of Ganga as well, the Samajwadi Party had said that the Ganga dredging in Prayagraj is an environmental crime. And after invites had been given out for the Mahakumbh, Samajwadi Party had said that people come to Kumbh out of their faith and not by the invite, mocking the invite as well. We have more breaking updates coming in of the politics that continues to rage on. Clearly, there's no end to the politics around it over the Mahakumbh. After the Samajwadi Party calls Yogi cabinet Chhapri, the Congress party has also joined in. The Congress party backing the ally Samajwadi Party to mock the BJP, saying the BJP's only aim is to fulfill its own agenda. The Congress party firing a thug jibe at the Yogi Sarkar, saying facilities in Mahakumbh are just for the rich.
देखिए, जहां तक आप भाजपा की अगर बात करेंगे तो संस्कार शब्द भी नहीं होना चाहिए, क्योंकि उनका सिर्फ उद्देश्य है इस देश की जनता को भरमाकर अपने हित को साधना। दो लाइनें दूंगी, बहुत बैठती हैं सटीक उन लोगों पे कि झूठ भरम के खेल में खेल रहा संसार, मन माया बस ठग रहा अपना ही परिवार। तो ये ऐसे ठग लोग हैं जो अपने परिवार को ही ठग रहे हैं। महाकुंभ के नाम पे सिर्फ कुछ पैसे वालों के लिए सारी व्यवस्थाएं, और जो मध्यम वर्ग, जो निम्न वर्ग, जो सच में उस आस्था के महापर्व में अपने आप को वहां उस ईश्वर से जोड़ने की प्रार्थना के साथ जाता है, उसको खुले आसमान में छोड़ा हुआ है। और जिस तरह से पानी फेंक के वो लोग नहा रहे हैं, जो कंपेयर किया गया है, आपको नहीं लग रहा है कि जिस सार्थकता को, जिस डुबकी के द्वारा व्यक्ति दिखाने की कोशिश करता है उस संगम में, कि अपने जीवन के समस्त पापों को हम यहाँ डुबो के पुण्य से उठते हैं, वहां पे ये पानी फेंक के लग रहा है कि वाटर पार्क में नहा रहे हैं। तो जानबूझ के इस देश के हमारे अपने पैसे, जो हमारे पैसे हैं, जो परिवार, जो वसुधैव कुटुंबकम के परिवार के उस पे हमारी जनमानस चलती थी, हमारे पैसों से इतने करोड़, 7.5 करोड़ रुपए खर्च हुए, लेकिन कहाँ खर्च हुए इस पे कोई उत्तर नहीं है। छपक छपैया खिल रहे हैं वो लोग वहां पे जाके। तो जो कहा गया है वो खुद सार्थक कर रहे हैं, वो दिखा रहे हैं कि उनको जनता से कोई मतलब नहीं है। जनता जिसको संगम में स्नान करना था, वो कई किलोमीटर, 20-25 किलोमीटर घूम के झूसी के रास्ते, जो पीपे के पुल बने होते हैं, वहां से पहुंच रही है, और ये लोग छपक छपक वहां पे खेल रहे हैं। तो आप भी देख रहे हैं कैसे ये लोग जनता के साथ जुड़े हुए हैं या नहीं जुड़े हैं।
My colleague Rishabh is joining us live on the broadcast. He's joining us from Prayagraj. Rishabh, you witnessed and the entire world is witnessing the devotees from across the world who have come in. After the Yogi cabinet took a dip, the Samajwadi Party resorting to unacceptable terms. Take us through the details of the war of words playing out.
Well, Pratibha, in democracy, war of words is acceptable, but the choice of word that Samajwadi Party has used, the words like chhapri or other words that have been used for the members of the Yogi cabinet, is not only derogatory, but it's also classist, and that is something that shouldn't have happened in any healthy democracy. There's no space for such unparliamentary words to be used. Yesterday, the 54-member cabinet was here. They took holy dip at Sangam. After holding a full cabinet here at Arhel Ghat, there is a makeshift circuit house near Arhel Ghat where the cabinet meeting took place. There were certain announcements after the cabinet as well, which include medical colleges, ITIs, expressways, and how the Prayagraj Chitrakoot region would be developed on the basis of how the state capital region around Lucknow has been developed. So a lot of announcements there as well. After that, the cabinet went for the holy dip and Ganga Puja as well. We were there. Okay. We saw what happened. Yes, the videos have been shared by Samajwadi Party, but the way Congress and Samajwadi Party is hitting out at government, the choice of word is a problem.
Absolutely. Casteist, classist, unacceptable, and the BJP branding it anti-Sanathan as well. Rishabh, we'll have to leave it at that. Thank you for joining us with those details. Breaking updates now coming in. President